This Thai dish is called Pla Sahm Rot, fish with 3 flavored sauce. These 3 flavors are the sour brought by the tamarind paste, the salty of the fish sauce, and the sugar sweetness. Chili and basil will make the dish even more delicious. Start by dipping 40 grams of tamarind paste in 15 centiliters of boiling water. Make cuts on both sides of the fish. Add some salt. Let it sit while preparing the other ingredients. Mince 2 shallots. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Cut 1 hot chili. Untie the leaves of basil branches. Knead the tamarind paste. Filter the juice. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, combine the 3 flavored sauce. Fry the basil leaves in oil preheated over medium heat. To better control the cooking, fry them in 2 portions. As soon as the leaves start to change color to become emerald green, remove them and drain them. Fry the fish over high heat in this oil. The cooking time is 4 minutes for each side. Take it out and let it drain. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallots. Cook for 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Add the garlic and the chili. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add the sauce. Stir and let it thicken for about 3 minutes over low heat. Put the fish in the dish. Pour on the 3 flavor sauce. Sprinkle with the basil leaves. Serve immediately with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The 3 flavored sauce has an intense taste. The tamarind brings a fruity sourness that perfectly combines with the fish. Frying the basil gives it a new taste, and it is delicious with the sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.